Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on Commodity TV to the mining news today with Endeavour Silver, Gold Terra, Canagold and Maple gold mines. Endeavour Silver announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement with Canamex Gold to acquire a 100% interest in Canamex Bruner property, a gold exploration operation in Nye County in Nevada, approximately 180 kilometers southeast of Reno, for $10 million in cash. Gold was first discovered at Bruner in 1906 and small-scale mining operations operated in the district intermittently between 1906 and 1998. More recent exploration work carried out by previous operators included mapping, sampling, geophysical surveys and drilling, culminating in a mineral resource estimate in 2015 and a preliminary economic assessment in 2017 that described an open pit and heap leach mining operation with low capital costs. The property totals 1,457 hectares and consists of patented and unpatented concessions with pre-existing NSR royalties, including a right of reversion for some royalties. It is ideally located within Nevada's northwest trending Walker Lane mineral belt, which currently contains several producing mines and new discoveries. Infrastructure is excellent, with tarred main roads as well as gravel roads, only 25 kilometers from the town of Gaps in Nevada. Access is easy, and there are high voltage power lines only 30 kilometers from the project. Water rights are secured, very important. Bruner has a favorable geology with gold and silver in low sulfidation epithermal veins and disseminations in stratabound and stockwork zones. 3 gold zones have been outlined within a thick 3-kilometer zone of anomalous gold values. The historic resource is 342,000 ounces gold at 17.5 million tons of 0.61 grams gold per ton. The property is highly prospective for the discovery of further gold and silver mineralization suitable for open pit mining. The metallurgy is also strong, as shown by cyanide leach test results with gold recoveries in excess of 85%. Endeavour Silver is now diversifying its portfolio into the USA after Chile and is fully in line with the company's 5-year strategic plan to build up production here relatively quickly. Gold Terra Resource is commencing its fully funded 10,000 meter phase 2 drill program to delineate a potential gold mineral resource to add to the current 1.2 million ounce resource. Drilling is focused on Campbell Shear in the Yellowrex zone, where significant high-grade gold zones have already been intersected during the phase 1 drill program with over 14 grams gold per ton over 4.65 meters. In addition, the company is announcing assay results from 5 holes drilled in April and March 2021 on Christorum North and the Renee Hill Shear at the Yellowknife City Gold project. 2 of the holes reviewed previous trench and channel samples that returned grades ranging from over 4 grams gold to almost 25 grams gold per ton, along with a very high-grade sample of 746 grams gold per ton. Both holes encountered anomalous gold grades with the highest grade of 8.65 grams gold per ton over 70 centimeters within the targeted shear or vein system and multiple shear alteration zones and quartz vein formations. 3 of the holes targeted high-grade veins in the Christorum Shear adjacent to the company's current NI 43-101 compliant 1.2 million ounce suspected minerals resource. Canagold released high-grade gold results for 2 more holes from the ongoing 24,000 meter 47-hole drill program at its 100% old New Polaris gold project in northwestern British Columbia, about 100 kilometers south of Atlin and 60 kilometers northeast of Juneau in Alaska. Highlights included 14.3 grams of gold per ton over 2.7 meters. Following on from the first 2 holes, which intersected 24 grams gold over 6.6 meters and almost 16 grams gold over 13 meters, these latest results support the excellent consistency of high gold grades in the inferred resources. As with the first 2 holes of the current drill program, these results are within the PEA mine plan and support the goal of advancing the inferred resources into the indicated resource category. Further, the intention is to test the potential at depths by drilling deeper than the 600-meter limit of the current resource. We are eager to see further results as Polaris continues to improve, and we think the Canagold stock is too cheap. Maple Gold Mines announced that it has entered into an option agreement with Globex Mining Enterprises to acquire a 100% interest in the Eagle Mine property, providing a clear path to consolidate the formerly producing high-grade Eagle Talbot underground mines at the Joutel Gold Project in Quebec in Canada. The Joutel Gold Project is held by a 50-50 joint venture between the company and Agnico Eagle Mines. Eagle hosts the historic Eagle underground mine, which was part of Agnico's former producing Eagle Talbot mining complex that produced 1.1 million ounces of gold between 1974 and 1993. The transaction consolidates a strategic land position along the dominant northwest to southeast striking gold trend that hosted the entire Eagle Talbot mining complex. Limited exploration activity has been conducted on Eagle since the mine closed in 1993. Maple Gold will make payments to Globex for 100% interest, totaling 1.2 million Canadian dollars in cash and shares over 5 years, and will incur exploration expenditures of 1.2 million Canadian dollars over 4 years, which may be accelerated at the company's discretion. Maple Gold will immediately commence development of a new 3D geological and structural model that will build on work currently underway at the Talbot underground mine area and apply additional exploration approaches to target new gold zones in the Eagle Mine area that may have been overlooked over the past 28 years. The Eagle option acquisition is considered highly strategic, as there is strong reason to believe that high-grade gold mineralization remains present throughout the former producing Eagle Talbot mine area. Consolidation of these land areas provides a significant exploration advantage through potential extensions in the vicinity of the mine towards the historic underground mining areas. Those are great news for Maple Gold, and the stock continues to have tremendous potential. Please note the disclaimer that is now superimposed. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria.